How to fix invalid destination address in Oppo Reno 14F. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then scroll down and click on apps. Now click on app management and then scroll down and click on messages app. Now click on messages app and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of messages app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update, and then click on backup and reset, and again click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.